Hey guys, maybe you got your pool done or you're looking to revamp the yard. It's probably about time. So take a look behind me and see this beautiful backyard that we revamped, lifted up, and they wanted to feel like they were in California. So check out the plants and see if we can do something for you. As you guys can see, they just finished up the pool actually. So this side here was quite empty and they wanted to fill it in and feel like there was some life right behind that pool. So you have some big, nice, lush leaf plants that are going to bring a lot of life into the atmosphere, and you'll also be able to see it from inside the home. A lot of pops of color to bring some extra life into the backyard. We also integrated some spotlights and in-ground lights. The difference between these two, you'll be able to see the spotlights shine upon the trees, and the in-ground lights are going to illuminate the lower plants down below, as you can tell.
Epic landscaping, transforming outdoors, exceeding expectations.